हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग ग्रेट और आपकी प्रिपरेशंस बहुत अच्छी चल रही हैं। So now we are back again with another B school and its placement statistics. Or I don't know if you recognize this building or not, but this is, guys, IIM Ranchi, one of the new IIMs, but still the fastest growing IIMs within the new IIMs. जैसा कि हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं, यहाँ हेडलाइन लिखी है हाईएस्ट CTC 59.36 lakh per annum. So guys, for any new IIM to reach this kind of figure in such a small time is a great achievement, and which is why we love IIM Ranchi, and which is why we believe that it's going to grow multifold in the coming years and make its place in the top 10 colleges in India. इसकी placement statistics को हम और थोड़ा study करते हैं. These are the placement highlights जो कि हमने इनकी official website से उठाई हैं. So let us see. Total students थे 181, number of recruiters 94, and first time recruiters 71. Since it is a new IIM, obviously इसमें हर साल recruiters add होते हैं, but a increase of 71 recruiters as compared to the previous years is a huge number, guys. It's amazing. Now let us see इसके statistics क्या थे. हाईएस्ट CTC 59.36 lakhs जो है वो एक इंटरनेशनल ऑफर का CTC है, and it is not a domestic offer. But as we can see that the highest CTC domestic was 22.37 lakh per annum. Now of all the new IIMs, the fees they charge is around 13 to 14 lakhs. तो अगर आप 13 to 14 lakhs पे कर रहे हैं और आपको एक एवरेज CTC of 15.11 lakh per annum मिल रहा है, then that's not a bad figure at all, guys. Most of the colleges, the new IIMs also, the private colleges also, sometimes fail to offer an average package that is higher than the fees that you're paying. आप टॉप 5 कॉलेजेस छोड़ दीजिए, उसके बाद जितने भी कॉलेजेस हैं वो थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करते हैं टू मेक दिस नंबर. तो इस हिसाब से IIM Ranchi is doing really great. As we can see, the median CTC is 14.82 lakh per annum, which is also around the fees it charges. So you should be rest assured that आप जितना fees pay कर रहे हो, at least आपको उतना CTC तो मिल ही जाएगा, unless and until you perform really bad across the 2 years of your MBA and in the placements, which let us believe you will not. So ये basic numbers थे. Top 10% का CTC 19.79 है, top 25% का 18.54 है, and all the other numbers that we have read about. Now, what else is there in the placement report that will interest us? So, MBA HR जो IIM Ranchi का है, guys, I don't know if you know about this or not, but we've discussed that IIM Ranchi's HR is one of the fastest growing and the best MBA HR in the country. हमने जो session लिया था about top 5 B schools in MBA HR, IIM Ranchi was not there, and some of you wrote in the comments below where we replied that we are very sure that IIM Ranchi is soon going to make its place in the top 5 colleges in MBA HR, and we believe it's going to do that in the next couple of years. So total students 67, total number of recruiters 42, and first time recruiters 21. So this is again a very good number. जो highest CTC गया है इसमें 26.5 lakh per annum गया है, and we believe it's a domestic CTC because otherwise it could have been mentioned. And as we can see that the highest CTC for MBA HR is higher than the average CTC of the regular MBA course, which is why MBA HR from IIM Ranchi is a very good decision. Median CTC 13.85 lakh per annum, average CTC 14.55 lakh per annum. Average of top 10% is 20.9. Average of top 25% is 18.19. So all these figures are very promising for a new IIM, and I'm very sure that all of you must already be considering this B school as a B school of your choice. Now, what else? So this is what we're looking for. हमें यहाँ पे दिया है हर स्पेशलाइजेशन, हर डोमेन के हिसाब से कितने जॉब रोल्स गए हैं, उनका हाईएस्ट एवरेज मीडियन CTC क्या रहा है. As we can see, 41% of the offers were in the domain of sales and marketing. So this means that the sales and marketing is a very good option from IIM Ranchi. Highest CTC 59.37 lakh per annum, which is the highest CTC, that is the international offer जो गया है वो marketing में गया है. Average CTC 15, median 13.37. Similarly, strategy and consulting में सिर्फ 9% roles गए हैं, but highest CTC 22.37, average CTC 16.36, median CTC 16.29. it is very important for us to know कि कितने percent roles, कितने percent offers किस domain में जाते हैं, so that we can plan our specializations better, so that we can decide which colleges to opt for. Finance में 19% roles गए हैं, which is the second highest. Highest CTC 20.37 lakh per annum है, average 16.03 lakh per annum है, और median CTC 15.37 lakh per annum है. So all these figures are very very promising. As we can see, जो highest CTC है और उसके बाद जो strategy या finance operations में CTC है highest, उसमें बहुत difference है. This shows that maybe only one international offer was made, or at least only from one company. So that again is not a bad thing. It's okay if only one international offer was made. What's important is that there was an international offer in a new IIM, and that is very rare. Now operations में 16% roles थे, which is the third highest. Highest CTC 20.37 lakh per annum, average CTC 15.57 lakh per annum, and median CTC 13.17 lakh per annum. MBA HR के हमने statistics पिछले slide में देख लिए हैं, तो उस इसीलिए यहाँ पे MBA HR include नहीं हुआ है. All these 4 domains are for the regular MBA. So guys, I'm sure you must have by now realized कि IIM Ranchi कितना fast grow कर रहा है, कितने promising placements offer कर रहा है, and that you should definitely target this. And especially if you're planning to pursue an MBA from HR, IIM Ranchi should be in the top colleges that you're targeting. So guys, we keep bringing such news to you so that it keeps you motivated, and आपको एक enthusiasm रहता है कि नहीं यार हमें इस college में जाना है, हमें मेहनत करनी है. And we hope this is working out for you well. And if there's anything else that you want us to cover, any questions regarding IIM Ranchi or the roles or the job opportunities, please write down in the comments below, and we'd love to address those comments. And अगर आपको videos अच्छी लगती हैं हमारी, तो आप please like करिए हमारी videos and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any information, because we have loads of information coming up for you guys, which is going to benefit you in your preparations and your GE pivot processes. So I'll see you back guys again with another interesting information. Until then, just keep working hard and all the very best.